Hello guys, this is profit update video about R9 270X 2GB GPU. Now it's 2022 year. The last time I was making a video about this GPU was in October last year, and the monthly profit then was $10. But the Bitcoin price then was $55,000, and now you can see it's $37,883. The Vertcoin price is 27 cents, and in October the price was 52 cents. So let's see if this old GPU is still in profit. The hash rate is 0.27 megahash. The power consumption is 100 watts. My electricity cost is 12 cents. 5% fees. And the current monthly profit is minus $2. So now this GPU is not in profit, and I think it's normal because you can see this drop in the prices of Bitcoin and Vertcoin. Now I will not mine with this GPU anymore. It's better just to buy Vertcoin if I want instead of mining it. It's not worth it. So that was my quick update video about this GPU. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more mining videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.